Good morning. Look at this, it's a family gathering. Mum, Dad, and babies. They're not really babies anymore though, are they? No, you're not. Trying to feed them, but it appears to have attracted the attention of every other form of bird life in the local area. Not bothered about crows and things and the odd duck, but these seagulls are a nuisance. And that crow just told that seagull what he thought of it. But look at these look at these guys, isn't that a something? I do have a bag of bird seed. I'm going to go feed them, but I can't do it one-handed, so I'll leave you there. Bye-bye.